With its unparalleled experience in infrastructure development, NLEX Corporation continues to build for the future of the Filipino people. By building modern and far-reaching road networks, we aim to expand mobility and connect communities across the region. Under the economic banner of the current administration's infrastructure program, and in partnership with the Department of Public Works and Highways, we proudly present the NLEX Connector Project. The NLEX Connector Project is a 23.3 billion innovative expressway that will seamlessly connect the provinces of North Luzon to the south. Spanning 8 kilometers, the NLEX Connector will serve as an alternate route to over 35,000 vehicles daily. It will support DPWH's Luzon Spine Network and other flagship projects of the government. It is being built with state-of-the-art technology and environment-friendly features which help lower carbon emission. The new elevated road is also expected to drive growth and commerce as it speeds up the delivery of goods and services around the metro. Since there is no truck ban on the expressway, the trucking and logistics sector will have 24/7 access. With the opening of the España section, travel time from Caloocan to Manila will now be just under 5 minutes. Thanks to this safer, faster, and more efficient route, students from the neighboring provinces will have more opportunities and access to the different colleges located around the university belt. The NLEX Connector lays the foundation for our economy to enhance our mobility, to strengthen our interconnectivity, and to create an enabling environment for sustainable and inclusive growth.